Hello, my little munchings. Hope you all are fine and staying at your home and not troubling your mama and papa. So, here I am back with the new story. I know you all love listening to stories, isn't it? Fine. So, today I am back with a new story, the story of Three Little Pigs. So, long time ago, so there in the deep dark forest there lived a family of pigs. So there was a mama pig, Mrs. Bacon, and she had three lovely piglets. So here there was a Tolly, there was one Molly, and there was one Smally. All the three pigs used to live happily with their mama. Mrs. Bacon used to take extra special care of her kids. She used to feed them, she used to took care of them, she used to look after them. Sometimes she even used to go hunting for them. But one day, Mama Mrs. Bacon got so much frustrated that she told to the kids, "Hey little piggies, listen, now you are grown up enough. Now I want my retirement. Now you go into the deep dark forest, build your own houses and start living over there." Piggies thought for a while and agreed to what their mama said. So on the very next day, they packed up their bags and they started living from their home and they went to the forest. So while they were leaving their home, Mama Piggy stopped them saying, "Wait, little piggies, I want to say you something really important. This is really important for you to listen. In the forest where you are going, in that deep forest, lives a big bad wolf, and that big bad wolf loves to eat small little furry piggies like you. So you need to be more careful. You need to build strong houses so that the big bad wolf cannot eat you up." "Okay, Mama, we will make sure we make strong houses so that big bad wolf doesn't eat up us all." And after saying so, they left for the forest. They were so excited because they were going to build their own houses and they were going to live in it. So they walked and they talked. They walked and they talked. Walking and talking and walking and talking. Soon enough, Piggy Tolly got tired. He said, "Hey little brothers, Piggy Molly and Piggy Smally, if you want to stay with me, stay over here only because I am thinking of settling here itself. I am not going further with you. If you want to go, you can go. Continue with your walk. I am settling over here itself." But Piggy 2 and Piggy 3, Piggy Molly and Piggy Smally walked away thinking that place was not safe enough to build a house. Piggy Molly sat for a while. Piggy Tolly sat for a while and looked around. While looking around, he found some straws and some hay. You know what is this? This is a hay. Hay means dry grass. So he got a fantastic idea. He said, "I'm gonna build a house of hay and that is gonna be fine. And when that house is done building, that house is gonna be mine." So he worked hard, really hard, and made a beautiful house of hay and straws, and he started living in it. Meanwhile, the other two brothers were still working, and soon enough, Piggy Molly also got tired. Piggy Molly got tired and he decided to build a place, to build a house where he was staying. He said, "I am tired enough. I am not going any further. Piggy Smally, if you want to go, you can go, or else you can stay with me." But Piggy Smally was smart enough. He remembered her mother's words, so he walked away. So Piggy Molly looked around and he found some sticks and he got an idea. He said, I'm gonna build a house of sticks and that is gonna be fine. And when that house is done building, that house is gonna be mine. So again, that piggy Molly also worked day and night. He worked really hard and he made a beautiful house made up of sticks. Yes. And he started living inside it. Piggy 3. Piggy Smalley was smart enough. He remembered her mother's words. What were her mother's words? Build strong houses, or else that big bad wolf will come and will eat you up. Gobble, 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 gobble. So he remembered her mother's word. He went to a safest place in the forest and he sat for a while. And while looking around, he found some bricks and he got a fabulous idea. He said, I'm gonna build a house of bricks and that is gonna be fine. And when that house is done building, that house is gonna be mine. So he built a house made up of bricks, a beautiful house of bricks, and he started living in it. But all this while, somebody was watching all the 3 little piglets. Who was he? He was Mr. Big Bad Wolf. He was very much hungry. He was incredibly mad. So, after a few days, thought of a plan. Mr. Big Bad Wolf thought a plan and he went to Piggy's one house. Piggy Tolly's house. Tolly's house was made up of hay and straw. So Big Bad Wolf went towards the first house, the house which was made up of straw and hay, and he knocked the door. He said, hey little piggy, will you let me in? Piggy Tolly got so frightened, he started crying. He said, oh no, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin, I will not let you in. Big Bad Wolf said, oh, then I will huff, and then I will puff, and I'll blow your house away. Then he huffed, and he puffed, and Piggy Tolly's house, the house which was made up of hay and straws, got blown away. Piggy Tolly got so frightened. He ran and he ran and he ran and he ran and he went to Piggy Molly's house, the house which was made up of sticks. He went to his house, knocked his door, and he started saying and crying, oh Piggy Molly, please open the door, please let me in, that big bad wolf is behind me, please let me in. Piggy Molly opened the door, let Piggy Tolly come inside, and he shut the door. But this big bad wolf was very vicious. He went to Second Pig's house, the house which was made up of sticks. He went over there, he knocked at the door, and again he repeated the same thing. He said, hey little piggies, will you let me in? Piggies were very frightened. They started crying and they said, oh no, not by the hen or our chinny chin chin, we will not let you in. Big Bad Wolf, then I'll huff, and then I'll puff, and I'll blow your house away. And the Big Bad Wolf huffed, and he puffed, and soon enough the house which was made up of sticks also got blown away. Both the piggies were very frightened and they ran and they ran and they ran and they went to Piggy Smalley's house. He said, hey little brother, please open the door, please let us in, the big bad wolf is behind us, please open the door and let us come inside. Piggy Tolly opened the door, let the piggies come inside, and he slammed the door away. The big bad wolf followed the 2 other pigs. He went to third house, the house which was made up of bricks. He went over there and repeated the same thing. Hey little piggies, Will you let me in? Piggies. Oh no no no. Oh no no no. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chin. We will not let you in. Then I'll huff. And then I'll puff. And I'll blow your house away. The wolf huffed. And he puffed. And why is this happening? What is this happening? Why the house is not blowing away? The piggies shouted, the house is made up of bricks. The house is made up of bricks. It is not going to be blown away by your huffs and puffs. But he was very smart enough. He thought of a plan. He was very wicked. He got an idea. He thought that I will go to the house through the chimney. So he climbed up the roof and then climbed up the chimney. So then he put his first leg inside, then he put his second leg inside, and then he started going down. Meanwhile, the other three pigs thought of an idea. They got a big huge pot filled with water and put it inside the chimney and started a fire inside the chimney. So all that water started boiling. When the wolf was going inside and inside, suddenly splash! And that big bad wolf was inside the hot boiling water pot. So he started shouting, oh my tail, oh, I got hurt, I got burnt, oh please help me, oh please help me. And then he jumped out of the pot and he ran out of the house and then he ran out of the forest as well. And all the three little piggies were very happy, were singing a song. Who is afraid of the big bad wolf? Na 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 na, na 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 na. Are you afraid of that big bad wolf? Na 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 na, na 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 na. The piggies were very happy, but the other two piggies learned the lesson of hard work. Yes, that hard work never fails. So later, all the three piggies helped each other and built strong houses made up of bricks, and they lived happily ever after. So I guess you all like the story. So we'll meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.